So, Amiji, one very interesting question. It's from a, maybe you can say as a new baby. He has told that he's from Vilas from Aurangabad, Maharashtra.
Okay.
Having
new location.
Yeah, he has just newly appointed as a manager of, and he has given a new site of 3 acres. So, what he's asking is, how can I sell these residential plots? Should I start a website?
Well, absolutely. First thing is that how do you make yourself visible to people? How do you make yourself visible? You should have a website. You should have a Facebook page, a social media platform like Insta. You should have a page there. Probably you should have a company registered, or if you are working for a company, they should have a page. Again, you have to join groups. You can join networks. You can join organizations that offer you networks. You can join people who work in such groups. You can meet people. You can go and start advertising in different places. It can be, if the lots are cheaper, you can be even advertising in a mall or a place where there is high footfall, or you can generate leads online. There are various methods, but website, I think, is the first basic need which any project or any person has to have. At least have a landing page, if not a full-fledged website. Have a landing page which has got all the information of that project on it, right? Now I'll tell you something else. Shiju, you must have heard of RERA, right?
Yeah.
So while RERA gives you credibility, does RERA certify के project बिल्कुल ठीक होगा? So
no, ऐसा तो compulsory नहीं है.
So now yes. So the best part is RERA doesn't guarantee delivery of projects. RERA just prescribes transparency. And what do they ask you? कि आपके पास जो permissions है वो आप डालो, आपके पास जो information है like title documents or other things, you upload it and people see it, and whatever you are putting, they buy it with open eyes. So even if your project is not in planning area or it doesn't come under the preview of RERA, even then try to RERA पे आपको registration नहीं भी मिल रही है, try to follow the norms prescribed there. Be quite transparent. आप एडवर्टाइज कर रहे हो तो आप उसमें डालो कि ये ऑथराइज प्लॉट्स हैं कि नहीं है. इज इट जस्ट रॉ लैंड विच यू आर सेलिंग? इज इट अ डेवलपमेंट विच हैज गॉट अदर अथॉरिटीज परमिशंस? सो वंस यू हैव दैट एवरीथिंग एंड योर लैंडिंग पेज हैज गॉट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट योर carpet area as per RERA norms, actual built up area, what is the actual private area you are giving them, or plot area. I am not talking of areas cut into roads or anything. If there is something called super built up also, which as per RERA you're not supposed to sell, even if you are disclosing them, please also disclose the carpet areas if it is built up. If it is land, what is the actual land in possession? What is the actual private usable area they are going to get? I call it private usable area because for farmhouses, these things, that is the pertinent question. वो बोलेगा 10 एकड़ का farm, when you actually go 8 एकड़ है, क्या हुआ जी 2 एकड़ तो land में चला गया, road में चला गया. So that disclosure has to happen. If you are doing that, if you are informing the person, he knows exactly why, what I am getting the bang for my buck. इतना रुपया खर्च रहा हूँ, मुझे ये इतना लैंड मिल रहा है, इतना प्रॉपर्टी मिल रही है, ये बिल्टअप एरिया मिल रहा है, ये कारपेट एरिया मिल रहा है, इतना बेडरूम है, नक्शा डाला हुआ उसका. When he knows there is disclosure there, try to get a title report. When the guy connects with you, send him a title report, makes life easier. Be ready to share number of that lawyer, or they can appoint a lawyer and connect with somebody. When you are open, when you are transparent, you are likely to have more sales. So do all that. Please do a website or at least a landing page. Use social media pages like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. Make pages on them. Be present there. Network with individuals. You will see sales.